Do you want to make extra money online by creating content for small businesses using AI? Or are you a small business owner who wants to learn how to make content so fast? Then this course is definitely for you. How you're going to make money in 2024 is your golden opportunity. Many small businesses and business owners, they have great products, but they struggle with marketing because they don't know how to create the content that attract customers. Without the content, they can't get the word out or make sale or keep their customers or even make customers. Okay, so here is where you come in. Modern businesses need content that their customer can read, engage with, and buy from. This content is the foundation of marketing, which generates interest and drives sale. After that, it's all about keeping customers happy with great customer service and make them come back. But here's the catch. Most small businesses and most business owners, they don't have the time or they don't have the budget to create this content or they don't have time to do it themselves. That's where you step in. But you're not doing it as hard. You're using AI. You quickly create tons of high quality content for them. And the best part, you can sell this content to so many businesses over and over and over. So it's going to be a copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. In 2024, this is your chance to help small businesses to be successful and build yourself a strong business that makes money. It's a win-win situation. Business owners get the content they desperately need, and you make money by providing the service, which is really in high demand. Are you excited now? Are you ready now? Shall we start? Let me show you how to do this.